Hi guys, welcome back to my behind the scenes of making this cute little manatee and a pumpkin pin. So if you don't already know, I print all of my designs on shrink plastic film and cut each individual pin out. Once I have all of my pins cut out, I set my oven for 330 degrees and stick them in there for a few minutes. So then I use UV resin to put on top of the pins just to kind of create a glossy coating. After I'm done coating all my pins, I stick them out in the sun for about 10 minutes to dry. And then I take my pin backs and I go ahead and glue them on the back of the pins. And then there you go, there's the finished look. And these are the two fall pins that I made for this year.